I'm the fastest man alive. This balloon is gonna take the absolute mick. Cause if I move, she's gonna. Ah! Oh, Spidey sense, bro. You can't mess with me. You can't touch me. Ah! I was YouTube back in real team. Welcome to the classrooms. Your boy is returning. I was gonna throw this game down, but I was like, you know what? Let me bring it back. So last episode, we beat the classrooms. I kind of want to just jump to the dark rooms, but we gotta go in order. Library, let's go. All right. You guys already know the vibes, bro. We gotta find. Right there, that's one already. See, that's one already. They don't know, man. Women got bread, fruit, and salad fish. They're gonna come through there. They're gonna come through there. They're gonna come through that. Yep, right there. Is she coming to me? Now she can't smell me. Nice. I can't tell that's a book over there. Or an alarm. It looks like an alarm. Oh, okay. I think the Whispering One was over there. Oh, okay. Everyone is here. If I'm being honest, this doesn't look like we're able to. I was just about to say if black people are able to stealth this game. This is impossible, bro. I'm so glad they gave me a nice book there, bro. That is so sweet. Heck no, am I going there? No, don't touch the grass. The grass, the glass. Barry Allen! Long time no see, my good friend. Ankles are getting annihilated. Is that left? The whole world! I want the whole world! See, you can't stand still in this game. You gotta keep it moving. Someone is chasing me, bro. I feel like. Hey! This is Barry Allen, bro. I need a corner. I need a corner. I need a corner. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. Yo, she can sniff me, guys. Yeah, I don't feel safe. I don't, bro. Hold on. Let me fix my face real quickly. We're all good. Let's go. Bro, bro, my Spidey sense. Guys cannot tell me I do not have Spidey sense. You think that Prowler profile picture is just for jokes? I mean, he probably doesn't have Spidey sense, but like Miles does. I don't feel safe. I whistled. Myself known to the unknown. In the flashback. Oh! That I'm not a sweat, bro. I play this game for fun. As long as I've collected 5 books, that's 2. Okay, that counted, bro. I whistled. That was an accident. Where's Barry Allen? He is right behind me. He's not even a joke. Barry! Oh my gosh, get off my back! Excuse me. Kibbity hop, I'm a kangaroo! No, I just need books. Just keep running, bro. How close is he? Oh! Spidey sense, bro. You can't mess with me. You can't touch me. Yo, I know some of you guys lost your soul from that, bro. Pause. I know your soul left your body for a second, bro. Your soul left your body for a second after that one, bro. We both know that was a naughty one. Flip me, bro. Bro, it's like I need my battery, my flipping camera's flashlight on 24/7. Wait for someone to come through. I'm gonna snap ankles. You guys hear those footsteps? Why was bro so fast? Bro gave me no time to react. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. Guys, I'm telling you, that song is in my head, bro. You can call me a KSI Glazer, I don't even care. That song is hard, bro. Hard, bro. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. Bro, who would even need to come? Oh, that's 2. That's 2 books. That inventory 4. I don't care. That's 2 books. That still counts. We still touch 2 books. Bro, I don't want that crap. I don't feel safe, bro. Like being. That's 3. That's 3 books. Flip. Safe, bro. Guys, keep your eyes open for a book. How close are they? Yo, he's catching up. Crap. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, baby. Bro, look how fast he is. Bro, this game is impossible, bro. Thank you, bro. No, thank you. Thank you. Matter of fact, bro, is there anything I can even drop? Look at that, I can't even drop them, bro. Look at him, Barry Allen, bro. You see him? I'm the fastest man alive. This balloon is gonna take the absolute mick. Because if I move, she's gonna... One book. I said 1 book. 1 what? 1 book. 2 books. 2 books. Heck no, am I going that way, bro? 2 books. 2 books. 2 books. See, bro, take it. 2 books right now, baby. See, I'm not a sweat, bro. I'm gonna repeat myself again. I'm not gonna collect 5 and put them in there, bro. That's what a sweat would do, bro. Someone's pulling up. Someone's pulling up. Someone's pulling up. See, she's nearby. She's nearby. See, the whispering mom ain't even all that, bro. I promise you, bro. She's not even all that. See, she's whistling. I mean, she's whispering. Look at them, bro. Flipping husband and wife. Do I have an egg timer? Flip, I don't. What's my... 42, bro. 42. Bro, she is long. Let's just run. 3 books. 3 books. Who's chasing me? Where are you? Over your legs. I said over your legs. 3 books. Alright, listen, I'm actually gonna lock in now. I'm actually gonna lock domain expansion. Infinite void. Alright, that's 1 book. See, I'm gonna... The rule is, though, that I actually have to touch the book, though. And you will know if I touched it when it says inventory full. So, yeah. We're on 1 book right now. See, my problem is, I keep looking back when I'm getting chased. Someone is roaring. Flipping Tyrannosaurus Rex blood. Oh, snap. Mother. Oh, this... I'm telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth. I can't play this game. Yo, this is my last try of this game. This is actually impossible. Mind you, this isn't even the full squad, by the way. I've got like 3 entities that aren't even in the game, bro. And bro, you can't stealth this game. Bro, run. I don't feel safe. Barry Allen once again. Everybody knows he loves. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below. Reload this real quickly. Run. The flip, no books, bro. I didn't even want to know how to do. Yo, this maze isn't it because of that small centipede. Bro, how are they still capturing parts? Look at him having to go. No! To like, subscribe, share with friends. I'll be seeing you legends in the next video. Check out my TikTok at Arcane Royalty. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.